come back. Lane hospital map. See? New hospital. And then we'll do
where to go.
Follow me.
Are you a doctor?
I don't think you have the choice to come.
Bro, why is this green?
I'm running.
Follow the face hugger.
Okay.
Open up.
Great.
Where are you?
It's a stupid nurse monster.
I am a surgeon. Yeah, no, I'm a face hugger. Yo, where are you guys?
I'm running away right now.
Where are you?
A nurse died. I know, man.
Bro, that's the real nurse, bro. She's actually helping.
Take my
Yo, where are you?
zipper.
Yo, where
Guys,
are
this
you?
is
Yo, bro, where
awesome.
are you?
This
What
update.
level
Let me
are
put my
you?
stick on you.
What level?
Just die.
Operating room.
Just die. Oh, how about candy? I'm at the water fountain. Why do you want the candy so bad? Goku, you don't need the candy. Goku, I say you didn't need the candy. Okay.
What the? Yeah, T, shut your ass.
No, wait!
They hit.
Long
The
arms.
A.
The
Heck no.
Where's my guns?
Is that what you call yourself?
Where?
Yo, where are you guys? Yo,
That red thing.
what floor are you?
Hold on,
I am running this hospital. The hospital nurse.
The nurse is dangerous.
Get you. I got so much food. Guys, join code love.
Okay. Do you want to end video?
But instead of hospital, it says the asshole hospital.
Goku.
Which
To the water
the doctors
fountain.
are told to It's a jelly bean. You need a doctor. Dude, y'all are giants. Wait, can I have a pool floaty? Yo, y'all are giants.
Yo, everybody here. Everybody here. Let's go over there.
Wait,
Okay.
I need a pool floaty. I need a...
You want this?
Pool floaty.
You wanted a pool floaty? You want to come over me? Who wants to come with me?
Oh, this is ginormous.
This is like the item.
Stop taking photos of me.
No. I want to end video right now.
Stop, or else I'll shoot.
Where is it at?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
Wait, can you drop this? Can you drop this?
Can you drop this? Can you drop this, please?
I'm coming back because I just died.
Okay. It's at the fountain.
Yeah, that's good information.
Wait, where is it?
Over here.
I keep.
Okay.
And you.
Say bye.
Guys, it has a pool. Oh yeah,
It's a bar.